Good morning, my students. How are you? Hope you're fine. I miss you all. Today we will read a new text, so we will learn new vocabulary words. Okay? So today's objectives. First, we will identify new words. Second, we will use these words in sentences. And finally, we will read the text in our textbooks on pages 185, 186. Are you ready to read a very nice text? First, the words we will learn are modern, invented, mass communication, produce, cheaper. Do you know any of these words? Do you know the meaning of any of these words? I think you are familiar with the word modern and cheaper. Okay? We will see. The first word, modern. Modern is an adjective. Okay? Please look at these pictures. This is a car, okay, of 2020, and this is a car of 2003. The first car is modern, while the second car is past. Okay, modern, we use this word to describe something recent, present, nowadays. Okay, we use it nowadays. We use it or see it nowadays. The word invented, it can come as an adjective or as a verb. Okay, look at this, please. What do you think? The thing is invented to cool the pasta while eating. I need it, by the way. Invent is to make or create something new, okay? Something new. Invented as a verb, someone invented these special sticks to eat pasta. Invented as an adjective, this is an invented stick. Mass communication, it is a noun. This picture summarizes the word mass communication. Mass communication means exchanging information through social mass media, for example, telephone, between large number of people at the same time. For example, reading news online and watching YouTube videos are forms of mass communication. The word produce, it also can come as a noun or as a verb. This field, what do you see? This field or this land produces potato. Produce means to give, but we have an important note here. Produce means to give something from another something, okay? Okay. So I can't say I will produce the pencil to you, meaning that I will give you the pencil. It's wrong. Okay, you have to pay attention to this, to the meaning of this word. Cheaper. Look please at these two pictures. The first one is Samsung G5. Its price is $200, and the second is iPhone 7 and its price is $800. Samsung G5 is cheaper than iPhone 7. Okay. Do you remember this form? It's comparative form, and we use it to compare two things, two and only two things. Cheap is its base form, okay, and it means low in price or little worth. Your homework is to use these words in meaningful sentences, okay? Now we will read the text, so please open your books and follow along with me. The oldest printing machine. Look at this picture. This is the oldest printing machine, okay? Oldest is a superlative form, okay? The story of printing began in China 2000 years ago. It was long before modern printing was invented. The first and simplest printing machines were made of blocks of wood. People brought thick, flat pieces of wood, then they carved shapes and letters on the blocks. They painted these letters, shapes, and designs with ink. Finally, they pressed the paper sheet against the blocks to print what they had carved. The Gutenberg machine. In 1440, Johannes Gutenberg of Germany invented a printing machine with movable type. This made printing easier and faster. A printer could quickly make any number of copies of a book, each exactly the same as all the others. Printing soon became the first means of mass communication. Why do you think so? I think because they printed books and translated them, okay? It made knowledge available for more people faster and cheaper than ever before. As a result, reading and writing spread widely and rapidly. Okay? So this is the Gutenberg machine. The latest printing machine, which is the modern machine, people kept thinking how to make printing easier, faster, and cheaper. Over the years, they improved Gutenberg's machine. With the discovery of electricity, engineers began to work hard to invent a printing machine that could print with the help of electricity. Okay, this printing machine, which the one we have today. They invented photocopy machines and electrical printers. Now, printers are attached to computers. The electronic processes are the most economical printing methods. They produce the best reproductions without wasting paper. They need less paper than the other processes. That makes them much cheaper to use. Now, my students, please read the text 2 more times to understand it. Okay, 2 more times.